In front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching recorder and tapping on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select settings and adjust all of those however you want to. When you finished, go back and use this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to add a photo mark, on the right one. Then switch your camera by tapping on those two arrows at the bottom right corner. Exit camera by clicking on this X at the bottom left one, or take a pic, and discard it by clicking on the bottom left corner, or add it by clicking on bottom right one. Now to discard your recording, you can always click on cancel at the top left corner and tap on leave and discard. To end it and save it though, use save at the top right corner. Then name your recording and hit save. As you can see, after that mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options at the bottom, and to get rid of it, just hold it on the list and hit delete at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!